Hey y'all, welcome back to Ukulele Wine Time. My name is Kathryn. We're going to play Hey Jude together today. This is the play along video. If you're looking for the tutorial video, I'll link that above there. It takes you through the verse and the chorus and all the chords and different strumming patterns. So be sure to check that out if you want a deeper dive into this song. If not, let's play the song together. Ukulele Wine Time. One little note on your starting pitch. So your starting pitch is on the C string there. Hey Jude, and we're in the key of F. Do mi so. That's a so or the fifth. Hey Jude. Okay, let's try it. 1, 2, 3. Hey Jude, don't make it bad. Take a sad song and make it better. Remember to let her into your heart. Then you can start to make it better. na 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 na. Hey Jude. Woo! How did you guys do? Maybe yours wasn't perfect, like mine wasn't perfect, but we are not about perfection here. We are about playing some music and having fun and connecting and maybe drinking some wine while we're at it. So cheers. If you found this video helpful, please also cheers the like button below, and I hope you subscribe to my channel for more ukulele wine time. See you soon. Ukulele wine time.